Hello, I'm Lee Lyford. I'm the director of Pigeon and the artistic director of Theatr Iolo.
Helo, Melangell Dolma dwi a fi di cyfarwyddwr cynorthwyol ar Pijin.
Pigeon is a book by Alice Conran. It's the first book I read when I arrived in Wales about 4 years ago, and it had just won the Wales Book of the Year award. I was just totally struck by this kind of amazing story about these incredible young people. It was moving, it was funny, it was exciting. It kind of read like a thriller and also this kind of important coming of age story. And I suppose at the time, because I was just moving here and I'd just taken over Theatr Iolo, I was looking for what were the kind of most exciting stories that we could tell for young audiences.
Wel, so mae'n stori sy'n dilyn dau brif gymeriad, dau ffrind gorau. A da ni'n cyfarfod nhw pan maen nhw tua 9 mlwydd oed, holl ffordd tan maen nhw yn tua 19, 45. So da ni'n mynd ar siwrna mawr efo nhw, sef Iola a Pijin. Maen nhw'n ffrindiau gorau, maen nhw'n meddwl y byd o'i gilydd. Maen nhw'n mynd mewn i dipyn o drafferthion efo'i gilydd. Maen nhw ella chydig bach o ddylanwad drwg ar ei gilydd. Mae gen nhw jyst y dychymyg mwy anhygoel yma. Maen nhw'n creu straeon efo'i gilydd, a wedyn ella yn gwthio pethau chydig bach yn rhy bell. Ond mae hefyd wedi gwreiddio mewn pentra chwarelyddol yng Ngogledd Cymru yn sort of diwedd yr 80au, dechrau'r 90au. So mae'n drama gyfnod mewn ffordd hefyd, a da ni'n just cael ein trochi yn byd y ddau gymeriad yma. And themes, I mean, Lee, what for you are the
Well, I suppose
themes?
it's kind of it's about lack of opportunity, I think, about the kind of stifling of ambition and kind of these two incredible brains that really are kind of thwarted by circumstances that they're in. And then ultimately it's about what most good stories are about, the triumph of the human spirit, I would say.